Hi guys, what's up? It's JT from john.tattersall.com and welcome to my winter traffic review. Okay, so here we are in the members area. I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of this and I'll walk you through this a bit later on in this review video. So what is winter traffic? Well, it's a quality in-depth course pulled together by Dawud Islam and Paul Talent, both experienced money-making online marketers. Now, Dawud is actually one of the top creators on Warrior Plus currently, and in this latest traffic related product release, they teach you step by step how to generate as much traffic as you want. They've even discovered a new traffic source that is virtually untapped. There is even a quick fire option inside where you can actually utilize one of your links straight away without having to actually start the training. Included in the front end is a total of 6 rotators that you can put any link that you want on to drive free organic traffic to any offer of your choice. All training is taught over the shoulder video style with nothing left out, and the pace of the training is excellent, showing you click by click how to set everything up. Now in this review video I'm going to take you through the winter traffic content, then I'm going to share with you my honest view as to whether you should consider acquiring this or whether you'd be better off keeping the money in your pocket, frankly. This training, if you follow it though, step by step, will build your list to any size you can handle and should help you put commission income into your bank account, providing you do the work. Now this is a well put together product, and for a very low front end investment you'll achieve your return on your investment if you complete the training and if you take action. Now listen up, I've also got 4 value added bonuses of my own to give you, which are yours for free and to keep. These have been carefully put together to make the most out of winter traffic to complement the training, and it gives you additional tools and information to help you make money more quickly and also to scale your online business so that you become less reliant on one income stream. I've also included 2 other bonuses for fast action takers, and these consist of full access to 2 other top level courses, one of which is the best training on how to start your own YouTube channel and to build your list, and the other is how to create unique bonuses to promote your offers. All you have to do is pick up these 2 extra fast action bonuses, but you will need to send me a screenshot of your Warrior Plus purchase of winter traffic to john.tattersall@yahoo.co.uk, and I'll put that information in the link below. Now my other 4 hand-picked bonuses are completely free and yours to keep if you click below through my link in the description of this YouTube video. When you click on the link below, it'll take you straight through to my bonus page, which looks like this. Right, so here we are on the sales page. I just want to quickly go through this because you can obviously go through this in your own time. Got an intro video here from Dawud himself, some information on the fact that this is a one-time payment, not a monthly subscription of $197. So you're saving $184.05 against that first month payment, but if you pay the $12.95 then it's a one-off payment, you don't pay monthly. Now there is obviously an incentive to get it quickly because it's on a dime sale, so that price will go up as time moves on. 3 steps to it. It's fairly simple. You buy the product, set up your system, and then you sit back and enjoy free buyer traffic each and every day from 6 different traffic rotators. Some evidence of earnings there. Just want to move down to just show you Dawud's bonuses because these pages can be extremely long. So the big value bonuses, there are 5 of them, so bear in mind these are in addition to my bonuses, which are unique to me. So you get Tiger's Traffic, which is the original traffic product and it still works today. You get Ducky Dollars, which is how you can transform your social media results. You get the Commission Blueprint, which is one of Glyn Koski's courses, so how you can start to maximize your commissions. And then you get the Lockdown Formula, which was Dawud's first release, I believe, in conjunction with John Armstrong, who's one of the top affiliate marketers on the web at the minute. And then you've got bonus number 5, which is Dolphin Dividends, which is how you can make money with low content books. So they're the bonuses that are going with the actual offer at $12.95, so you're getting a lot for your money there. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you're not happy with the product, you've obviously got the opportunity to be able to get a refund on your investment. So I just quickly want to move on to my bonus page and I'll take you through the bonuses that I'm offering for you in addition to what I've just gone through on the sales page. Okay, so here we are on my bonus page. The first thing I want to point out is that if you want to pick this up via my link and pick up my exclusive bonuses, then all you need to do is click on any of these yellow buttons on this page. So it's a push one button system, so you literally just send your URL to anywhere you want, any offer that you want. You get 6 different traffic sources, and you also get included on 5 traffic rotators. You can set it and forget it. It works in any niche. It's good for people just starting out. You don't need a list, because the idea of this is to help you build your list, and you'll get 10 times up to potentially your profits if you move on this and you actually put it into implementation. So in terms of the front end, for $12.95, or you can actually pick up a discount coupon, which I'll mention a bit later on, you can get all of what I've explained, and you get the rotators plus the traffic sources. If you then upgrade to OTO number 1, which is Winter Traffic Pro, which is $47, you can submit an extra 5 links to all 5 sales rotators. So that gives you an additional 25 links that you can promote on. OTO number 2 is the Elite Academy membership at $37 monthly recurring. This is a high ticket course, the Elite Academy, and you learn everything that Dawood knows, and you also get a Facebook page with that as well. Sorry, a Facebook group with that as well, where you learn a lot more. OTO number 3 is Reseller Rights. So you get reseller rights to Winter Traffic. You can sell it as if it were your own product, and you can keep all of the commissions. OTO number 4, done for you weekly campaigns at $97. So you get sent 3 done for you campaigns each week, which includes done for you bonus pages, but you will need Commission Gorilla in order to take advantage of OTO number 4. And I will put a link to Commission Gorilla below this video. And the 5th OTO is Total Traffic Fix at $197. So you get an extra boost of extra traffic. You get 10 free super solo ads, and you get access to over 30,000 members across 25 sites in the making money online niche. And you can get VIP upgrades worth over $1,500 at all 25 sites. And you get a permanent banner ad on all 25 sites. That's for $197. And then the OTO number 6 is the Elite Tigers Group Global Ambassador at $597. This is his brand new Global Ambassador program. A range of benefits, 10% profits with no financial outlay on a future Elite Tigers Group product launch. And you get lead magnets, and you also get access to all the past and future product launches, and his 25 making money online websites. And in addition to that, you get 100% front-end commissions on all of his products. So some key benefits: if you pick this up, you get free traffic, you get faster results, you put more money in your pocket, you get financial freedom if you put it all into action and you follow the training, and you can realize your dreams of being an internet marketer. So remember, click on any of these yellow buttons here and it will take you through to the sales page, and you'll get the opportunity to pick up my four bonuses here, plus my 2 extra special bonuses. So bonus number 1 is a hack on how to build your website, because at some point you're going to need a website in order to make the most of your affiliate marketing business. This is a full-blown top-end course by one of the best SEO experts online at the minute. So that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, you get the opportunity to get software that will allow you to make banners, so you can make eye-catching banners that go across all of your sites and make your promotional material really leap out. Bonus number 3 is a social media hack, so you can get social media domination with Winter Traffic. So it gives you the opportunity to then start tapping into social media on most platforms to be able to build your list even further and promote your products. And then bonus number 4 is how you can get traffic marketing secrets. So once you've got your traffic, what do you do with it? This bonus gives you full training on how to do that. And then the 5th one is all of Dawood's bonuses, which I've already gone through, are also included, so you get those on top. And don't forget, you get my 2 special bonuses if you send me a screenshot of your purchase, any purchase of anywhere within this funnel. If you send me a screenshot, I will then give you access to 2 top-end courses that are still currently selling at full price on Warrior Plus. So all you need to do, remember, is click on any of these yellow buttons. Then if you're not already a member of Warrior Plus, it's fairly straightforward. Just go to warriorplus.com, sign up, and then you can make your purchase. You'll get this screen once you've made your purchase. This gives you access to the actual purchase that you've made. And then in order to access my bonuses, all you need to do is click on this blue button here, and then that will give you the bonuses that I've just taken you through. So without further ado, I'll just take you through to the members area. We can have a quick look at that, and then I'll wrap this up. Okay, so here we are back in the members area. So this is Winter Traffic membership sites. The same format as most of these trainings. You've got the 2/3 of the page on the right hand side tends to be where the tutorials, each time you click on one of the play buttons, will be played. You've got an introductory video there from Dawood, and then an introductory video there from Paul. And then on the left hand side, these buttons here, the orange buttons, then indicate each of the training sections. So you've got a welcome from both Dawood and Paul. You've then, if you click on this button here, you've got an overview of winter traffic in terms of what it consists of and how quickly you can get set up with it. And then the main training section really only has 4 elements to it. So it's got an introduction to the training, how you go about submitting your URLs, how you can then access other member areas, and how you can go about actually testing that your URLs are working, which sometimes people do forget to do. So you think you're merrily promoting something, and then you don't get any commission sales because the URL actually isn't working properly. So this bit here is very important, as Dawood has highlighted there. You really need to understand how you can check your URLs. Then you've got resources, so you've got some squeeze pages, some special ones, and then some regular ones. You've then a kind of conclusion in terms of how to put all of this into practice and what you can expect. You've then got the bonuses, which I've already mentioned: Tigers Traffic, Ducky Dollars, Commission Blueprint, the Lockdown Formula, and Dolphin Dividends. So they're all the bonuses that both Paul and Dawood are offering if you pick even just the front end of this up. And then you've got the opportunity to then potentially work your way through the funnel with the upgrades if you wish to do so. And then you actually have 3 unadvertised bonuses, so on top of all the other bonuses that you're getting, including mine. You've got one from Eric Hammer, which is durable, James Kennedy, a bonus there, and then Mike from Maine's bonus as well. So that's the members area. It looks a bit thin, but it's not. There's a lot of quality information in there, and you know, in terms of punch for the price that you're paying, if you put all of these things into action, you will get a return on your investment, you know, over tenfold quite easily. You just need to follow the training and then do what the training tells you to do, and actually, you know, do it. So that's it for the members area. So I'll just bring this to a conclusion now. Right, so then, so this brings me to the end of my review of winter traffic. Now, I did say that I would summarize the positives and the negatives. Winter traffic reveals the exact steps Dawood and Paul used to build and grow their own business. However, you must remember that this is cold traffic, and you really need to be sending your traffic to an opt-in page or a squeeze page. Otherwise, you're just using a scattergun approach and you're blasting your links to all and sundry, and you will end up with limited response to that. So there we have it. Go ahead and check out my bonuses, and feel free to return to my bonuses once you've checked out what other winter traffic reviewers are offering in terms of their bonuses. And remember, if you scroll off the page, then you will potentially get a discount, so don't forget to do that, so you get a few bit more off the purchase price. So thank you very much for watching my review. If you like the review, then please leave a comment below, and ideally, if you want to see future reviews, then please subscribe. And all it leaves me to do is to wish you the very best. I hope you do purchase it, and I do wish you absolute success in terms of growing your online business. And until the next video, I'll see you then. Thank you for watching this, and goodbye.